Hi, early birds. This is Miss Marcy. How are you today? I hope you all doing fine and enjoy spending time with mom and dad and the whole family. Today, I'm gonna read a book called "There Was an Old Lady Who Swallowed the ABCs." So, you ready? I hope you can see the pictures. There was an old lady who swallowed 26 letters. She ate them too fast. She should have known better. Back out they tumbled from A down to Z. So let's follow along and learn the ABCs. A is for alligator, astronaut, and apple pie. B is for birds, bugs, and butterfly. C is for cactus, car, and chicken that clocks. And D is for a dog, digging daisies, and two dancing ducks. E is for earth, eggs, and elf in disguise. And F is for fish, flowers, and a frog catching flies. Oh, there we go. There's a ghost. G is for gold, green goblins, and ghosts out at night. H is for horse at the hoedown, and oh, what a sight. I is for inchworm, and iguana, and insects, invited to tea. J is for jet, jib, jewel, and old jalopy. K is for cat. K is for key, kite, and a kitten playing kazoo. L is for sending love, lock in laughier to you. M is for mermaid, magician, and man in the moon. And N is for number 9 in the planet Neptune. O is for oyster, octopus, and other things in the ocean. And P is for party, presents, and pets causing commotion. Commotion. It's hard to read upside down. Q is for quick, quarterback, and queen. And R is for rabbit, rose, and the most radiant rainbow you have ever seen. S is for scarecrow, spider, and more spooky stuff. And T is for tugboat and turtle and things that are tough. Very good. U is for umbrella and ukuleles up in space. And V is for violin, Valentine, and rose in a vase. She's getting big. Look at her cheeks. It's full. W is wind. W is for wind, wave, water, and whale. And then X marks the spot in a pirate's tail. There's your pirate. Oh my goodness, she's so full. She's laying down. Y is for yawn and a bright yellow sun. That's where she's laying, on a hill under the sun. And Z is for sleep when the ABCs are all done. Yep, she's too full. She's going to sleep now. What else do you see on the top? And that's the zebra. That's right. It started with the Z. Hooray! The old lady is happy to see that you now know your ABCs. And hooray to my early birds. You guys doing great. And if you want, you can pick any letters you like and then draw the picture. Start with that letter. We used to do that with our journal at school. So this is something you like to do. And I'm happy to see you again. And I guess I see you guys next time. Bye-bye. I love you.